Everybody is looking for a bucket list destination, a place so unique and extraordinary that it leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're an avid traveler or someone who occasionally ventures out, the quest for that perfect spot never ends. And let me tell you, the Dead Sea should be at the top of your list. Nestled between the borders of Jordan and Israel, the Dead Sea is not just any body of water. It's a natural wonder that has fascinated people for centuries. Its unique characteristics make it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience something truly out of the ordinary. Here's why. The Dead Sea, located between Jordan and Israel, is famous for being the saltiest body of water on Earth. But there's so much more to it than just its salinity. The Dead Sea is a geological marvel, sitting at the lowest land point on Earth, over 400 meters below sea level. This unique location contributes to its extraordinary properties. But why is it so salty? The answer lies in its geography and climate. The Dead Sea is situated in a region where the climate is hot and arid, leading to high rates of evaporation. This evaporation process leaves behind a high concentration of salts and minerals, making the water incredibly dense. Well, it all starts with its location. The Dead Sea is fed by the Jordan River, but unlike most bodies of water, it has no outlet. This means that water flows in, but doesn't flow out, leading to the accumulation of salts and minerals over time. The Dead Sea sits at the lowest land point on Earth, over 400 meters below sea level. This unique geographical feature contributes to its high salinity and mineral content. The surrounding landscape, with its rugged mountains and arid desert, adds to the surreal beauty of the area. Because of this, it has no outlet. The water that flows in from the Jordan River stays there, and the only way it leaves is through evaporation. This process has been happening for thousands of years, leading to the high concentration of salts and minerals we see today. Water flows in from the Jordan River but doesn't flow out. This unique hydrological setup creates a closed basin where the water evaporates, leaving behind a dense, mineral-rich solution. Instead, the hot desert sun causes rapid evaporation, leaving behind tons of salt and minerals. The intense heat and arid conditions accelerate this process, making the Dead Sea one of the saltiest bodies of water on the planet. Get this, the Dead Sea's salt concentration is around 34%. That's an astonishing figure when you consider that the average ocean water has a salt concentration of about 3.5%. This extreme salinity is what makes the Dead Sea so unique and fascinating. That's almost 10 times saltier than the ocean. This high salinity means that the water is incredibly dense, allowing you to float effortlessly on its surface. It's a sensation unlike any other, and one that you have to experience to believe. This extreme salinity makes the water so dense that you can float effortlessly. Imagine lying back and feeling like you're on a natural waterbed. No swimming skills needed. The buoyancy is so strong that even non-swimmers can enjoy the experience without any fear. Imagine lying back and feeling like you're on a natural waterbed. No swimming skills needed. It's one of the most surreal experiences you can have. The sensation of floating effortlessly on the water's surface is both relaxing and exhilarating, making it a highlight of any trip to the Dead Sea. It's one of the most surreal experiences you can have. The combination of the stunning natural scenery, the unique properties of the water, and the sense of weightlessness creates an unforgettable experience. Whether you're floating under the bright desert sun or watching a serene sunset over the water, the Dead Sea offers moments of pure magic. Now you might think all this salt is bad news, but the minerals in the Dead Sea are a treasure trove for your skin. The mud and water are rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which have been shown to have therapeutic benefits. People have been visiting for centuries to soak up its therapeutic benefits. The ancient Egyptians, including Cleopatra, were known to use Dead Sea products as part of their beauty regimen. Today, visitors from all over the world come to experience the healing properties of the Dead Sea's mud and water. So whether you're a travel junkie or a wellness warrior, the Dead Sea offers a unique slice of nature's magic. From floating effortlessly on its surface to indulging in mineral-rich mud treatments, there's something for everyone. The Dead Sea is not just a destination, it's an experience that rejuvenates both body and soul. Add it to your bucket list and experience the wonder yourself. Plan your trip, pack your bags, and get ready to be amazed by the natural beauty and unique properties of the Dead Sea. It's a journey that promises unforgettable memories and a deeper appreciation for the wonders of our planet. Until next time, keep exploring. The world is full of incredible places waiting to be discovered, and the Dead Sea is just the beginning. So, stay curious, keep adventuring, and never stop exploring the beauty and diversity of our amazing planet.